These side hustles could make you rich. What if I told you that your financial success might be triggered by the recession? In this era, finding side businesses can help survive in the face of hardship, while others are drowning in economic instability. Today, I'm here to reveal the top secret tools that can make your goals come true. Get ready to break through the barriers of conventional wisdom and open the door to unimaginable prosperity. Welcome to the revolution of side hustles that will make you wealthy during the economic downturn. Side Hustle 1. Virtual assistants. If a person is equipped with the motivation, determination, and desire to succeed in business, but not prepared to pursue entrepreneurship full-time, virtual assistance is the answer for all his problems. In times of recession, businesses frequently search for affordable methods to reduce their processes without sacrificing efficiency. The need for knowledgeable virtual assistants has increased as a result. As a digital assistant, one can provide a variety of services like administrative work, customer support, social media management, content development, and much more. The flexibility of this job is what makes it so attractive. The option of working as a freelancer in this field enables you to serve several clients at once. This increases earning potential while also diversifying your sources of income. It has never been simpler to collaborate with clients from all over the world thanks to the development of communication technologies like Slack, Zoom, and Trello. Strong organizational skills, outstanding interpersonal abilities, and a penchant for problem-solving are necessary for success in this side business. You'll be relied upon to manage databases, schedule appointments, handle emails, and make sure everything runs well in order to distinguish yourself from the competition. Having flexibility to quickly adjust, define priorities, and acting with utmost professionalism is very important. Are you interested in the possible earnings of a virtual assistant? Well, that depends on a number of variables, including your experience, skill set, and the difficulty of projects. Virtual assistants may expect to make between $15 and $40 per hour on average, with more seasoned experts requesting even higher prices. Individuals can progressively raise their charges as they obtain more clients and a solid reputation, which might lead to a six-figure income. The freedom that this job provides is one of its greatest benefits. You can work from the convenience of your home, save money on transportation costs, and achieve a better work-life balance. Choosing your own clients and projects also gives the chance to work in fields that are actually compatible with your interests and ambitions. Wow! This side hustle can actually help in paving the route towards a better financial future. Up next, e-commerce entrepreneurship. Think of having your very own online shop where products can constantly be presented to a global audience. Sounds intriguing, no? Welcome to the realm of e-commerce entrepreneurship, a side business that has exploded in popularity during the course of the 2023 economic downturn. The popularity of contactless transactions and the expansion of online purchasing have made e-business a goldmine for ambitious entrepreneurs. The appeal of e-commerce is that it can reach clients anywhere in the world and is easily accessible. It enables you to monetize your creativity, whether you have a love for fashion, a knack for making crafts by hand, or an original product idea. So, how do you start an online business? Choosing the best platform is the first step. Tools like Shopify, Etsy, and WooCommerce have completely changed how entrepreneurs launch and run their stores on the internet. These solutions offer intuitive user interfaces, editable templates, safe payment gateways, necessary features for managing inventory, tracking orders, and analyzing sales data. The next stage is to concentrate on product selection and differentiation. Finding your specialization is essential in a cutthroat e-commerce environment. Choose a target market with certain requirements or preferences, then put together a line of goods to satisfy them. This could entail finding distinctive products, developing a brand, or providing customized services that make you stand out from the competition. The exciting part is about to start: marketing your e-commerce site. Building a solid web page and drawing clients is crucial in a sea of competing online enterprises. Social media sites like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest can be used to promote items, interact with followers, and increase website traffic. Business owners can boost visibility and attract new customers by using paid advertising and search engine optimization (SEO) techniques. In e-commerce, Customer experience comes first. You can build trust among consumers and promote repeat business by offering great service, easy navigation, and secure payment choices. Utilizing their feedback and endorsements can increase your credibility and lure in new clients. Now let's tackle the key issue. How much money can you generate as an e-commerce entrepreneur? The sky's the limit after all. The demand for your products, marketing tactics, and ability to scale your business are just a few examples of the variables that will affect how much income can be generated. Successful e-business owners have made large profits, and some have even surpassed the desired seven-figure threshold. E-commerce entrepreneurship provides the freedom to manage your own business and perhaps even become financially independent. It is definitely one of the best side hustles that can catapult you to tremendous heights. Number 3. Content creation. The ruler of this digital era is content. Companies are continuously looking for captivating material to engage the audience and reinforce their message because millions of people spend their time online. This is why content creation has turned into a wildly successful side business. A wide range of creative abilities, such as writing, video editing, graphic design, photography, and more, are all part of it. If you have a penchant for writing interesting blog articles, love taking aesthetically appealing photographs, or are enthusiastic about storytelling, content production offers a ton of options to make money from your skills. YouTube is one of the most well-liked platforms for content producers. With more than 2 billion active users each month, it has grown into an important medium for video content. You may share your knowledge, amuse viewers, and potentially make a good living through ad money, sponsorships, and brand collaborations by creating a YouTube channel. Social media sites like Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter have provided new opportunities to market and garner a loyal following. Brands are searching for content creators that can honestly sell their goods or services to an attentive audience as a result of the enormous growth of influencer marketing. If you have a knack for writing, you might want to look into chances in blogging, ghostwriting, or freelance copywriting. High-quality written content is always needed by numerous companies and people for their websites, blogs, newsletters, and other marketing materials. Freelancers can draw clients and offer reasonable charges for their services by establishing themselves as a trustworthy and competent writer. Another major area of content development is graphic design. Graphic designers are in popular demand since they are skilled at producing everything from logos and branding materials to social media visuals and website layouts. Aspiring designers can now showcase their skills to clients all around the world more easily than ever, thanks to platforms like Canva and Adobe Creative Cloud. Consistency, commitment, and a thorough understanding of your target market are necessary for developing a successful content creation firm. It's critical to continually provide viewers, readers, or followers with high-quality material that speaks to them. Keep one step ahead of the competition by interacting with your audience, working with other creators, and following the newest tools and trends. The potential income from producing content varies tremendously, depending on your niche, audience size, engagement levels, and monetization methods. Many top-tier creators have made large financial gains, and some have even become millionaires as a result of their innovative endeavors. Content creation is your chance to show talent and creativity, acting as a great opportunity for having a side business in these difficult times. Keep in mind that developing a side hustle takes time and effort. Get support from those around you, seek mentors for advice, and take lessons from failures along the path. So, my friends, it's time to embark on a journey towards financial independence. Which one of these side businesses do you tend to choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and share this video. Thanks for watching.